Hi friends, I am Dr. B.V. Rao of Usha Clinic and founder of the websites qmedicaldoubts.blogspot.in and Dr. Raghava Medical Doubts. Dot, sorry, RaghavaMedicalDoubts.com. Through these videos, I am providing the basic knowledge about the commonly occurring diseases, treatment and surgery details when necessary for the medical knowledge to general people and for reference to medicals. Today I am going to discuss about the vertigo diagnosis and treatment. Vertigo is a symptom due to one of the many reasons. The vertigo is the dizzy sensation associated with the spinning around in a circle with high speed. It is usually associated with nausea and vomiting. It can be hard enough to get out of bed. It is difficult to attend the day-to-day work. Causes. The most common cause may be the hypertension. Vertigo causes vertigo causes and treatment. Next is hypotension due to heat stroke, cold attack due to the low atmospheric temperature, loss of fluid by vomiting or loose motions or by nausea itself, and lastly starvation. Next common cause may be the more sugar in the blood as diabetes or less sugar as hypoglycemia, common in patients using diabetic drugs. Benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. It is the vertigo caused by the change in the position of the head. It is caused by the small crystal called otolith, which sits out of ham's way in the center of the middle ear, which breaks the pre and enters one of the three canals, causes pressure changes, which in turn causes vertigo. It causes brief spells of vertigo. Meniere's disease. It is caused by endolymphatic hydrops, causing vertigo, hearing loss, and ringing in the ears. It may last for few minutes to few hours. Nystagmus may be present. Audiometry may confirm the disease. Vestibular neuritis, also called vestibular neuronitis, labyrinthitis, neurolabyrinthitis, and acute peripheral vestibulopathy. It is usually caused by inflammation of the vestibular nerve due to the viral infection. It usually resolves by its own, but there may be a residual vertigo for few months. Treatment is based on the symptoms. Vestibular paroxysmal vertigo lasts for few seconds but repeats several times a day. It is believed to the pressure caused by the blood vessels over the 8th cranial nerve. It responds well to the treatment. Some may prefer surgery in resistant cases. Vestibular migraine. It is the vertigo associated with the headache. It is central in nature. Vertebrobasilar transient ischemic attack, TIA. It is due to the blood clot and resorption and so transient vertigo. It is central in origin and must be taken care of and responds to the treatment. Unknown causes. The vertigo caused by the spinning quickly and repeatedly on his own self will cause vertigo. Autoimmune diseases of the internal ear can cause the progressive hearing loss and vertigo. Some will respond to the steroids. Labyrinthine concussion. It usually happens after the head injury, causing headache, nausea and vomiting. Perilymphatic fistula happen due to the pressure difference between the canals due to the sneezing, coughing, straining or loud voices. Sleeping with the head elevated to avoid the pressure to the head may help. If not, surgery may be necessary. Another phenomenon is the dehiscence, where the wall between the two chambers is incomplete or bone is thin. It will cause to hear the person's own sounds with a loud sound. Osteoclerosis. It is a inherited disease with a difference in bone formation. Epileptic vertigo. Here the vertigo may be due to the abnormal electrical impulses of the scissors. EEG can diagnose it. Chiari malformation. It is a congenital malformation of the base of the cerebellum where it grows downward than normal, rarely may cause the vertigo, confirmed by increase by bending the neck backwards, and nystagmus is pointed towards the down. Surgery may be required for cure. Episodic ataxia with symptoms of vertigo, nausea, and vomiting with nystagmus during and between the vertigo, usually seen in children and adolescents. Caused by medicines, amyloglycosides, lithium bromide, and so many drugs can cause nausea and vomiting. Management. Besides the specific treatments mentioned, some medicines like Sinarsin can help in majority of the types. That is all about the vertigo, and in the next video I will discuss about some other diseases. Thank you.